Here. All right, Ken.
It's more smoke or no?
Yep, you take it.
Let me get this going.
You have to open it.
Yeah.
Let it burn a minute. Hit them again. There you go. And give it a couple of puffs just as you close it. There you go. All right, hit them over here. Get them in. Get these guys on the other side. Okay, now I'm going to go for frame 2. All right, move it onto the outside. Here it comes. There's brood. That's all baby she's been laying. You can see the difference in color. This is kind of like a porous fabric. See, they haven't covered this one. Whereas the wax is a lot lighter. There's brood. That's a nice frame of brood. I don't see her, but I'm not wasting time looking. All right, this one comes in. All right, Ken, you grab the next one. Give me that. Give it a little start with that. Yeah, nice, easy. Away and up. There you go. Just take a look at it. More brood.
Is the queen going to be larger also?
Yep, she's much bigger butt. Same head, big, long, light-colored butt. I don't see her. That's okay. They're shy. In that one goes.
On the outside, right?
Right there. And then we're going to move it in slightly.
Is it going to be inside here then?
Yes, it goes in.
But in the middle or?
Yeah, it's going to come over like
here?
this.
Okay.
From here, see? That one's going to come over. That's how you move them. This one, move it over. Move that one over. All right, get the next one.
What's up, guys? I don't want to hurt anybody.
Every one you kill costs you a teaspoon.
I don't want to kill anybody.
And then move it away. Yep. And we'll flip it up. See if we see her. More brood. This is a big nuke. This is a big, big nuke. Flip her over a little. Oh, that's a great frame. I don't see her and I don't care. And it goes.
And the same thing, slide over to the to the north.
Yeah.
I'll wait for a second for some smoke. Look at this. This one's loaded.
Yeah. Thought maybe we stir her up. Yep, and bring that up into the sun. I don't see her, but I don't care. We're not spending all day looking for her. In you go with that one.
She's in there though.
We'll find her. She's in there.
Oh, don't smash them on the
Trying.
ends.
That's all right. You're loose.
All the way to the inside? Or?
Yep, push it that way.
And what do we do with all the guys in there?
All right, now we're going to take this. Look around. There's a good chance she could be in here because she likes to run away and hide down in there.
It's awesome.
See, they're not really concerned with us.
No.
All right, you hold this, both sides. Let me just get a little.
I just love the sound.
Isn't that cool? Well, they freak some people.
I love it.
I'll tell you what's a weird thing is when you're wearing this and you walk up to that big screen door over there, you don't know if it's opened or closed.
That's right.
Really, I was like, wait a second, I can't go in and the screen's here. I'm like, trying to touch it. Do you just shake
All
them
right,
off?
now hold it, box upside down, right on there. All right, give it kind of a kick down. Yep, kind of kick it down. No, bounce it right on the box. Yep. Good. Hold it. Hold it.
Oh, wow. It's pretty much...
Got that too. Give it a kick. These, we'll just check the... Okay.
So they'll stay and hang out here because they know this is home, right?
Queen's there. Where they want to be.
But are they honing in on their home airport right now?
Yeah.
Like all these bees that are out here, aren't
They're
they?
going to go inside. They'll go in.
Yeah, they'll all go in. Plus, we're going to leave the front door open. They're going to get in there.
What about this one?
Yeah, we're going to... Hang on. Let's go like this. There you go. And that's a 10-frame box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down you go. Yeah. Space it a little bit in there, just so they don't build junction wax. Okay. Make sure we don't have a queen in here. Nothing. Sometimes when they build it, fold the cardboard twice. If it's up a little bit, you can have a couple hundred bees underneath the top layer.
Yeah.
That's nice and clean.
So should I hang on to a bigger box that's like cut a whole branch off just in case?
Yeah, we're gonna eventually make a nuke box. That's on there, and then top cover. Now, just top cover down there.
You want a rocker or a stick? Or?
Yeah, we're gonna stick it up just a little prop the
You
front.
want a
up
rocker
little.
or a stick, or what do you prefer?
Whatever.
How
Thin
much?
rock.
How much?
Here's a rock right here.
Like an inch or
Here.
What do you got?
like that or more?
That might work. Put it right behind the. Like
that?
don't block. Yeah, right out there like that might work. Which, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
See, they know where the front door is. They'll be all in there pretty soon, setting up house. So.